Hey peeps, who was that? Vloggy, Vlogmas. Hey my weirdos and weirdettes, welcome to my channel. But if you're already part of the crew, what it do? I know y'all already see the title, so y'all already know what the frick is going on. Y'all already know what the going on. Y'all already know what's going on. Alright, I'm going to be doing a Didi's makeup haul. Lucy, listen, Lucy. I told you about interrupting me during my videos. Don't play with me. So y'all, so today's I will be doing a Didi's makeup haul. I found a few items from Didi that's like pertaining to makeup and stuff. I couldn't find no like serious stuff. Well, you guys will see when I get into the haul, but I found a few stuff so I can kind of do a makeup look. I'm gonna attach the link to the makeup look down below. I have another video where I actually do my makeup with these items, but I don't actually show what items I'm using. Like, I don't break it down. So in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down everything that I'm using, but I'm not gonna be actually doing the makeup look. So if you wanna see the makeup look, just stay tuned and it's gonna be down in the link down below, the actual makeup look. So yeah, so let's get straight into the video. It's a Lips to Go by Profusion. It comes with a matte lip cream, matte lip liner, and a sparkling lip topper, like glitter. Y'all know how I feel about glitter. I'm mainly using the eyeshadow, not too much on the lips, but we're gonna try it. And it comes with a lip liner as well. It actually has number 1, 2, and 3, so it tells you actually where which one is the liner, which one goes at the bottom, which one goes at the top or at the middle. I guess it kind of helps you to do like a whole ombre look. And this set is in the color Charm. The next item I have is a Beauty Trends Glam Glitter Palette. It contains 24 pressed glitter colors. Y'all know how I feel about my glitter eyeshadow, y'all. Look at these colors. Let me know if you want me to. Should I do it? I'ma do it. Hold on, y'all. I'ma do it. Just wait. Dang. I did it. But I am kind of disappointed. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I swatched a few colors for y'all, but it's kind of looking weak as hell. So I'm kind of annoyed right now because I'm like, you know. But you know what, we're not gonna knock it yet because we haven't tried it. Because you know, when you knock before you tried, then you know nobody comes answering the door, so that means you knock it for no reason because there's nobody there to answer when you knock. So we ain't gonna knock it, okay?
What?
I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I've tried this already. It's all right. It just reminds me of any other makeup, right? The one thing I can say, it's thick though. The wipes are thick, which I love. I hate when the wipes are like thin and flimsy. So this is already a yeah. Just so I don't have to write it on the screen. This one is $3.99. This one is $3.99. The eyeshadow is $5.99. The makeup wipe was $3.99. The next item I have, yeah, I think this is one of my favorite items in the thing. I think it's one of my favorite, like it's giving me much everything. But I'm loving this. I'm loving the colors at least. I don't know how it works yet. But this is the Goddess by Mana. This is the Goddess by Mana. But it's by some lady called Mana Kadar. Not sure who she is. But it comes with 12 pieces of Lip Lock Deluxe. Apparently the benefits of it has a hydrating formula, contains a lip gloss, primer, and stain all in one, long-lasting pigment, and paraben-free and allergy tested, y'all, at Didi's discount. So it comes with 12, and I got it in, I know it cost $7.99, and I think it's called Pucker Up 2. So that's what it's called, Pucker Up 2. I'm gonna use one of these colors in the makeup tutorial video, but I'm probably gonna use this for my lip colors review video that I have coming up. Keep an eye out for that. So for my eyebrows, y'all, I love the packaging. I like the packaging, y'all. It's called the Brow Sharp by Giordano Colors. Let me go ahead and flip it. It contains a brow gel, a dual brow powder, a brow brush like a spoolie, brow stencils, and a highlight brow definer pencil. Yeah. This is what it comes with, everything that it comes with, y'all. And at the top it says, never underestimate the power of an eyebrow. An eyebrow. Don't underestimate the power. Do y'all understand? Do you understand, mate? Do you understand? Oh, that was a, oh, that was bad. Oh. But this was $5.99. So all of these items are like mad affordable, y'all. So we don't know if it's good yet though. We don't know if it's good yet. For y'all to know if it's good, y'all gotta go check out that makeup tutorial video that I'm telling y'all about. It's gonna be linked down below. Matter of fact, I'm gonna post both of these videos together at the same time because y'all need to go check out that makeup tutorial. Y'all have to go check it out. Y'all need to click the link down below. I'm gonna put in the info card up here. Click that link. Go ahead, head over there. Well, don't head over there. Wait till the end of this video, then you know you could. The next item I have is mascara. This is by Maybelline New York. Everybody knows Maybelline. It's the Colossal Waterproof Mascara, and it has instant big volume, and yeah, I actually wanted a mascara that helps with eye length growth. I had one before that I believe I got it from BESTIES, and it's this one, the Great Lash. I used to use this before. It's supposed to help with thickening your eyelashes, conditions as it thickens, no clumps, no globs. So this actually helps your eyelashes to get longer. And I can actually vouch by it because this is what I was using, and my eyelashes actually started growing. They started to look thicker, fuller, longer. They look better, y'all. So this is what I was using before, and then I ran out. But now I'm gonna restock. I'm gonna add a little bit of castor oil in it as well to keep up with the growth, because I don't want to keep wearing strips and all that. Even though your lashes, I don't think my lashes are ever gonna be as long as like the strips and the minks, but this could get it at least close, okay? Close. Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater, okay? Beauty blender! Yeah, I'm actually excited to see how this feels and how it works, because y'all know how hard it is to find a good beauty blender at a budget price. $20 is not a budget price, sis. Don't go sending me to try to go get the original beauty blender for $20. That's not a budget price. That is not a budget price for one beauty blender. I actually found this one place that actually does sell a good beauty blender at a budget price. One place is In Stylish. I love their beauty blender. It's so soft. It does what it has to do, and it's soft whether it's wet or not. That's one thing that I like about it. This is my In Stylish one, even though this is a D's review, but it's really good. This one I got from Amazon. It's by Beakey, B-E-A-K-E-Y, and it's the same thing. Once it's wet, right now it's not really soft, but once it's wet, it's really soft, and then it gets really big. It gets like this big, y'all. It inflates, so, and it holds like a lot of makeup, and it doesn't like suck all the makeup. It actually distributes it amongst your face, okay? So another thing that I also got was this makeup brush cleaning pad. I don't think I'm gonna test this out on camera. I'm probably gonna test it out off camera before I do the tutorial, and I'll let you guys know if it works well, like, because I'm gonna clean my brushes. My brushes aren't dirty. I actually just cleaned them. I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out, y'all, but I got you. So the next item that I have for you guys is this makeup brush set, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. This is it's called Her Own Beauty by Jackie and Lauren. So this was actually $10. It comes with 10 pieces. I already have a whole bunch of makeup brushes. This is not even gonna fit in my setup on my new vanity that I created. And if you guys want to see how I created this new vanity, go ahead and check out that video down below as well. And I'll put the info card right here. Go ahead, click it. Click it. Well, don't click it yet. Wait till this video is done, and then you can click it. Okay. The next item that I have for you guys, and I believe it's the last item, is this. It's another palette. That one was a glitter palette. It had nothing but glitter in it. This one is the Profusion Flawless Luxe Eye Palette. Look at this, y'all. It is so gorgeous. I don't have that many eyeshadow palettes. I only have one. I mainly use liquid shadow, so because liquid shadow is life, y'all. Like, you ain't gotta do too much. You just dab it on. It's glittery, it's pretty, it's it, okay? Y'all wanna see the inside? Should I show y'all? Nah, y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ready? Y'all ain't ready. All right, so this is how it's looking, y'all. Oh my God, look at those colors. Lord have mercy. Y'all see that? Look at them colors. So I'm probably gonna put these at the bottom and like dab the glitter at the top. Let me not tell y'all too much. Let me not tell y'all too much. It comes with eyeliners in different colors, and it comes with 3 brushes. So it's the whole look, y'all. And I got this from DD's as well. It was $8.99. I spent a good little change, y'all. I spent, in total, I think I spent about $80, but I also bought stuff for my vanity. So minus the things that I brought for my vanity, it probably would have been maybe 50 bucks for everything. So the only thing is I couldn't find nothing like foundation, concealer, like those kind of things. Wasn't there. They were like, no, we're not gonna be responsible for any breakouts. So I didn't find none of those things there. It was mainly just eyebrow, eyeshadow, lip color. I don't even think I found stuff to like contour and highlight, but y'all know I don't contour because I have like a natural contour. Y'all see that cheekbone? Yeah. Natural contour. So I don't contour, I don't highlight because I have a, you'll see the glow. The natural glow. So I don't do any of that. I just, you know, eyebrows and conceal, and that's it. I don't even use foundation. If I use a foundation, most likely it's for a beauty on a budget review, but it's not my day-to-day. My day-to-day is not even concealing eyebrows. My day-to-day is this. I don't wear makeup at all, but I do it for you guys, and you guys have helped me helped me get so good. Well, I don't even think my English right now, so we're gonna revert that. I've gotten so good because of you guys, because of the practicing, the beauty on a budget series, and all of that stuff kind of forced me to have to learn about makeup and how to apply it and all that. I don't do too much. Like I always tell y'all, I'm not a beauty guru, okay? But I can do the basics to make me look flawless, okay? I did it, y'all. I did it. So I went ahead and swatched it for y'all. This is like a pretty blue, a lime green, a purple, and this is like a peaches pink, like a neutral nude color. And I ain't gonna lie, this is pigmented, y'all. It's really pigmented. So I'm kind of excited to use them on my eyes. Y'all know I don't be doing all the bright colors, so y'all know expect the like one of the light neutral colors, or like a gold, or like a nude. Y'all know what I do. Y'all know how I do with the eyes. Y'all know how I do with the eyes. Like, we can't do too much. I just be scared to use all the bold pop colors because I'm not sure how it would reflect on my skin. So I'm like kind of scared to like step out my box. But one day, y'all, one day, because I've done so much on this channel that I never expected to do. So one day, okay? All right, y'all, so this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified. And don't forget to tell a friend. Tell a friend. Go tell a friend. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. What'd you tell a friend? Tell a friend. Tell a friend. Go. Okay. All right. That's enough. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Don't forget to tell a friend so they can tell a friend so they can tell a friend so they can tell another friend so that friend can come back and watch me. Until next time, peace.